Dangwa Flower Market, also known as Flower Capital Market of Manila, is a fresh flower market in the Sampaloc area of Manila, Philippines. The market is composed of small, individually owned stalls and street vendors selling flowers wholesale and retail at prices 50 to 90% cheaper than Metro Manila's flower shops. It is home to 100 flower vendors, and most are members of the Dangwa Flower Market Association. The market is centered on the crossroads of Dos Castillas Street and Damasaling Street, spreading to adjacent roads like Lacson Avenue and Maria Clara Street. The market derives its name from adjacent Dangwa Tranco Terminal. Since the late 1950s, Dangwa Tranco passenger coaches have been bringing fresh flowers from Baguio City and other parts of the Cordilleras down to Manila. The flower market's peak seasons are around graduation days, Holy Week, Valentine's Day, All Saints' Day and Mother's Day, and Christmas season. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.